Alright, y'all, so we back. We got y'all see me? Hey, y'all. Yeah, so we back. I had to. I'm just like, you know, like. Anyway, so yeah, then you got the hush puppy. That shit busting like a motherfucker. So. These bitches, they want to pull up, like. I'm gonna do too much cursing here. But look, y'all, these motherfucking hush puppies are the bomb. Like, hey, the bomb. And I don't know if y'all can see this fish. Hold on. I'm just not getting, used to it. Look. Chill. And let me go and I pour some. Guess I gotta put some more fucking mustard. Hot sauce on here. Like, this shit gonna have my motherfucking ass burning. You hear me? Let me eat a little more coleslaw, y'all. I tried, y'all. With that coleslaw, I really tried. But that just ain't hit. Oh, let me show y'all. Hold on. I got all the hot sauce on it now. See it. Ooh. I ain't gonna be able to eat all this though. I'm gonna save something for later. Get this shit up in my god. And the only thing with this whiteness shit, other skin shit, like it's the skin, like, I'm tired of that shit sometimes, like. We are tired of that shit. So that back end of that fish be like tough as fuck. Alright, so I'm gonna dip some in here. Ooh. I ain't got no more hush peppers. They only gave me like 3. I'm like, fuck. So I've been doing a little tennis, a little practicing with tennis or whatever. That's going good. But I gotta start doing more videos out there so I can show y'all. Just trying to get more active. Get here. Take his weight up. Okay, so look. Touchdown wings, go get them. Period. Girl, when I tell you, what's up, boo? What's up, boo? Like when I tell you, bitch, once you get some ice, fill up halfway. Halfway to like right here. Right there, Bookie, right there. We don't need all that ice, fucking up the soda. Right there, right at the W, right at the end of the W. Right before you get to the W, boom. Drop some strawberry Fanta in that bitch, halfway. Right exactly to the middle of the motherfucking W. To the middle of the whole wings. You feel what I'm saying? Then take some Sprite and pour it on top. Girl, I'm telling you, y'all gonna thank me. guess this review is okay, y'all, but I don't know. I was better off like frying my own fish at home, I think. It just but it's, you know, it's definitely good, you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. I'm go ahead and get her stuff done. Yeah, be sure to like check my YouTube out, please. Like, check it out, comment, like, subscribe, share it. It's going up. It's going fuck up. And I'm gonna start cooking a lot more other shit too. Like y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. Oh, follow me. Booking. What's up, boo? Follow me on Instagram. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to like connect my Instagram to my TikTok. Like, girl, I don't know how to do it, girl. I'm still trying to learn shit, but yes. Y'all go check out my Instagram. Oh my God, who else the fuck pulling up? Check out my Instagram, Cashmere_Celine. So that'll be Cashmere with a C. ASHERE _ Celine, CELINE. You feel what I'm saying? Go check me out on Instagram too. On my whole motherfucking vibe. Ooh, excuse me, y'all. Ooh. Oh, baby, that shit crunchy as fuck. No tea, no shade. What's up, boo? What's up, boo? The fuck? And bitch, that's one thing about me. I'ma eat. I'ma eat, boo. But y'all, it's good, but this is my first time ever trying fish and shit from like a wing spot. Like, you know, I was like, let me try it first time. Cause I ain't trying to deal with meat like that with chicken, you know. I've been doing a little chicken here and there or whatever like that, but just out here, I don't know. Maybe if I would have had my Frank's hot sauce or some Louisiana hot sauce, because that hot sauce just throwing me the fuck off. And let me try the piece of the fish without the goddamn, without the hot sauce. Let me try this with the hot sauce. Okay. But that hot sauce gotta go. All that goddamn ginger and sriracha, where the hell they got up in that shit. And then this coleslaw, I keep eating it, but damn. Yeah, I'm trying. Yeah. And check my Facebook out too, William Davis. You feel me? Check me out.